Hello everyone, Jacketing here. Welcome back to the AE86. Well, finally the car's got fixed since the drift day you've seen from this summer. The car has had a full engine rebuild. The engine now has a brand new head. It sounds kind of healthy. Dynoed at 160 now and revs to 9,000 RPM. And of course, literally I picked it up on Friday and it didn't run right, so we fixed it Saturday. And now Alan, our good friend with the FD RX7, the feed RX7 mile spec, dragged me out and said, hey, why don't we go autocrossing? So guess what, here we are. FD versus AE86 on an autocross. As you guys know, I haven't had the best record with the AE86 on an autocross. Something's wrong. Oh no! Yeah, let's not talk about what happened last time. Anyways, I hope that this time it will be better, and I'm quite excited to see how this will do. It is now running the squared V730 205 15 setup on 200 treadwear. I hope it doesn't blow the diff. Fingers are crossed. Meanwhile, Alan is on Nankang CRS 285 all the way around as well. So really the only advantage I have, obviously this thing makes way more power. This thing is a better chassis, better suspension, double wishbone, wider, everything. But my car is crucially lighter. How much lighter, I do not know, but maybe 2,100 pounds versus 27, 28. So 500-600 pounds difference. We'll see how that goes. AE86 versus FD.
So any regular sticker is 5 horsepower, a PhD racing sticker is 50 horsepower.
50 horsepower?
Yeah.
I like it.
This is visual. Yeah, visual.
Wait, but you got the big ass PhD racing sticker on the side. That means 100 horsepower.
No, that's like 150.
150?
Yeah.
So you have a pair of those, which is 300, and a pair of 50.
Yeah. Which is
This
what
is
this car's making.
800 horsepower.
No, this car's making 400 horsepower. The rotary engine doesn't make any power at all.
Meanwhile, I'm at 160. Okay. So, explain to me. You're obviously a regular here.
Right.
You know this shit well.
Okay.
I've done autocross twice, and both times the car blew up. No! Do you really think I have a chance of beating you? Like, realistically speaking.
Wait, hold on, Jackie. How many times have you won Grid Life?
A few.
I think you should beat everybody. Otherwise, I don't understand. Otherwise,
There's a CAZ51 over there.
Otherwise, that just means Grid Life doesn't mean anything. It's just autocross. And you remember what
I didn't bring the A car.
Okay. What did initial detail tell us? The car doesn't matter. It's the driver. Okay. So what you have to prove is Grid Life.
Tom Cruise said that he got shot down.
Come on now, do some of that pilot shit!
All I want from Alan is the initial D meme. And A6 just beat my FD. That's all I want.
Alright, you're good.
Like I said, 59. We missed the gate. First run didn't go to plan. I blame the passenger. I think he was like 2 seconds. We take him out, I think that's a 57. And then I need to not miss that gate because I missed that gate, I don't think it counted. Obviously, because, you know. And the water temperature is like going up and down quite a bit. I'm hoping when I'm driving, it actually cools it down. Ay, ay, ay. Ha 54-1! Yeah! I don't know if I coned anything, but I was all over the place. It's just really hard to be perfect. That one was a little bit too far over the edge. A couple times I went in the corner and just way too out of it. So, damn. It's fucking hard. But yeah, I'm trying. I'm gonna try to drop the rear pressure a little bit, maybe soften the rear dampers. I think in the afternoon, hopefully when the temperature warms up, maybe we have a 50 in the car. I don't think there's a 49, but I think there's a 50. Dude, I'm actually really enjoying this. And like I told them, I don't care about packs. The index thing means nothing to me because this thing is so modified and shit. But like as long as I can keep pushing and do what I love to do and then just drive this fucking car, you know, isn't that the whole point? Temperature seems to stay okay as well. Wow, that was epic. Epic, epic, epic. Good job, little baby. Morning session is done, lunch is had. We had a nice Subway sandwich break. And now it's time for the afternoon run. We worked our sessions and now it's time to go again. Now, curiously, we are actually not all that much slower than the FD. Like, we joke around that we're trying to beat the FD, but you gotta understand, the FD is like a street when you class an SCCA. Like, these things are as quick as they come. That stupid thing just did a 51.2, no cone, 51.0 cone. This is 50.5, I think, which means the gap is half a second. You know, they ended up bumping me out of H Street because obviously, and then we got put into XSB, which is like super freaking high because I had a carbon fiber hood. Apparently that's not legal. Ugh. All right. Anyways, we'll see how we go. We'll see if we can find a little bit more. I don't think the car's got a 49, but maybe like a high 50, maybe a middle 50. We're pretty good. And one thing that I realized was really helping was I keep dropping the tire pressure. So we went from like 32, 35 in the morning to like 20s, all right, like mid 20, 25. So I've now dropped it to 19 psi in the back and 22 in the front. because that's what seems to be like all the fast Miata guys are running. So yeah, we're gonna try it, see what happens, and maybe just keep dropping the tire pressure until it doesn't like to be dropped anymore. Also, it's idling in the back because I need to warm it up, otherwise the engine really doesn't get unhappy, you know. What a day. I'm really having fun actually battling Alan. He's just that little bit quicker, and it really motivates me to try. And yeah, the car is freaking running awesome. I'm gonna change my camera angle a little bit so it's a wide lens, so you can actually see the dash a little bit better. I realized it wasn't actually picking up much. Sorry about that. But hella fun, super excited, trying to go for a little bit more. Cone one. 50.6 again. Oh, it's so hard to be perfect, man. Hard to be perfect. Yeah, everybody's got a national fucking badge on their car. Well, Alan, we did okay this afternoon. I went quicker and I coned. Yep. You went quicker and you coned.
Yep.
So we sucked.
So this is the raw time.
Raw time.
Oh, nice, dude.
You're 5th overall.
Yep.
I'm 19th. That's actually not bad. Out of how many? Out of 68 cars, 68 timed entries.
Also, everyone in that first 20 are very fast drivers.
Okay, good to know. See, they're professionals. They're professional autocrossers.
None of us are professional. 60's why we're doing autocross.